Hey guys, Rich Pasini here from Rjpasini.com. I'm doing a screenshot this time of all my listings that have 0 views on. See up here? There's all, look at the views, okay? This is page 1. I only have 2 pages. I have a total of 355 items listed. I'm going to scroll down, look at the views, all zeros. It is now 11:14 East Coast time in New York, 11:14 p.m. It is February 25th. It's Sunday, February 25th, 2018. All my listings have 0 views on them. I like to know what's going on with eBay. This has been going on, folks, since 2014. Look at the views. All 0 views. Look at this. All 0 views. All 0 views. Look at this. Look at this. I'm documenting this here. The reason I'm doing a screen record is because I want this for my own records, and I want to show the people out there that are on eBay complaining about low sales. Look, this is page 1. I'm going to go to page 2. Hold on for a second. I'm going to pause this for 1 second because I don't want it to jump around. Hold on. Okay, this is page 2. Okay, look at the views. Keep your eye on the view column. Keep your eye on the view column. Look at this. 2 pages with 0 views on them. Now, I get sales that trickle in once in a while. Nothing, like I said again, nothing to write home about. Now, again, if you guys are okay with this here, and you're alright with it as far as like with eBay, it doesn't bother you, that's fine. Maybe you were quiet about it, maybe that's why no one's saying anything about it. But I would like to know one thing from eBay. This is what I would like to know. Why is it that 4 years, they can't get their act together and get this problem fixed? Why is it? Why can't they get this fixed? Is it only me? Are they doing it to me? Are they turning my system off? What's going on here? Look at this, folks. I'm not making this up. I'm not doctoring anything, you know what I'm saying? This is live here. Here, page 2. I showed you page 1. This is page 2. Look at the view column. All zeros. I'm going to save this here. I'm going to hit the F9 button. I'm going to save this here so I don't lose anything.